Technological Advancement by Gilberto Franco Jr. How often do you glance over and see a local pedestrian browsing some sort of technological advancement, such as a phone or tablet? Seeking a faster route to fulfill social status with the new evolution has much of society transitioning towards social media platforms that enable them to interact more frequently with friends and family. This transition has fabricated the ability to be able to communicate with individuals from across the globe with ease. As society continuously develops further technological advancements to make this transition that much more sufficient for individuals to utilize, such as the 5G towers that have been implemented to advance our current network speeds and data roaming coverage. While implementing these newer, faster 5G towers, society finds itself questioning the global impact that has been created while advancing our technological advancements. Have you ever walked past your local road and seen countless debris being present? Or how about when you were casually walking the beach? Littering seems to be a trend that society has yet to resolve, much like the global warming impact that has been configured from our rapid technological advancements. According to the BBC News in the article What is Climate Change? A Really Simple Guide, they mention that scientists believe that we are adding to the natural greenhouse effect with gases released from industry and agriculture, trapping more energy and increasing the temperature. And this is known as climate change or global warming. Something society needs to take into consideration while we continuously develop our technological advancement operations, so that when our future generations have this tremendous opportunities such as we have today, they will still be able to enjoy those leisure activities with a strong sustaining climate. While society has increased regulations to prevent catastrophic failures, there is much more than that needs to stabilize our future's climatical impact. This would entail individual consumers to take initiative and stop polluting the environment with unnecessary debris, and to educate themselves upon voting at the local town hall before installing future technological advancements, such as the 5G towers or wind turbines that have been a huge controversy. Note to self, just because it sounds good does not imply that it is the next great thing. Something society has also forgotten to implement, but that is for another time. Hopefully you enjoyed my presentation, and my name is Gilberto Franco Jr. We'll see you next time.